If you want to transfer data from your USB flash drive to Motorola Signature or the other way around, you can use the Files app by Google that you can find in the Google folder in the app drawer. This is of course the file manager, and if you connect your USB flash drive, you should be able to find the flash drive storage over here. So in order to transfer something from your phone to the flash drive, you can go to the internal storage over here. Then you need to find whatever you want to transfer. So you can go ahead and try to find, let's say, your videos and stuff like that. If you are not sure where you can find your selected files, you can actually use these categories. So let's say I'm going to go to videos over here. And if I go to the file info over here, you should be able to see the location. So as you can see, it is in movies, screen record, etc. In the case of this screen recorder, I mean the video that I recorded of my screen. And if I want to look for it, if I want to find it, then of course over here I need to go to movies, and then we have the screen recorder, and there we go. So you get the idea. So if I want to transfer something, I can, let's say, press and hold my finger in order to select both files. Let's say I want to transfer them to my USB flash drive. After selecting, I need to tap on these three dots that we have in the upper right corner. Then we have to choose Move To. And in this case, since I want to transfer from the phone storage to the USB flash drive, of course, I want to choose the USB flash drive storage. Then I need to choose where I want them to be placed. So let's say I'm going to go to this folder over here, and then I can choose to move here. And now we just have to wait for it to be done. Depending on the amount of data, it will, depending how much you want to transfer, of course, the time varies. So keep that in mind. The more data, the more or heavier files we want to transfer, the longer it will take. Once that is done, we can of course check that by going to the USB storage. And there we go, I have my files in here. Now, if you want to transfer the other way around from the USB flash drive to the phone storage, you just have to do exactly the same thing, but of course we move to the internal storage instead. The rest is pretty much the same, we just have to choose to where we want these files to be moved. And that's about it. Leave a like and subscribe.